Sup low-end gamers, Akshay here. Today I'm going to show you how to get more FPS in Fortnite, but there's a requirement: you need 4 GB or more and a good dual-core i3, or you should play in a bad quality. If that's okay for you, you may skip that part. Okay, let's start from the in-game settings. First, open settings. Then set full screen in window mode. Change the resolution to 1280 by 720. Sync off. FPS limit to 30 or 60. Rendering mode is performance. Graphics section is optional, it's your choice. 3D resolution. The lower you make it, the higher FPS you will get, but in exchange of quality. Set it to 80%, it lags, then lower it down to a good spot. View distance equals near, or medium, textures equals low, meshes equals low. Now some extra settings. Go to search and type graphics settings. Click browse and go to your game installation location and follow this: Fortnite to Fortnite, game to binaries to Win64. Add all the exe file with the Fortnite logo as the icon. Then select high performance to all the exe files you added. Now go back to the game location with all the exe files. Do this to all of the exe files. Follow me. It should be a lot better now. If you're still lagging, then do as followed. We're going to use config files for this step. Press Win plus R your keyboard to open Run. Type in %local app data %. Follow this direction. Hope your FPS increased. If not, I would recommend you to watch these videos shown in the end screen. Also, shout out to these players for recognizing me in-game and being friendly with me. I am going vacation for 2 months, so I won't able to upload. I guess I will see you in maybe August or September. Until then, peace.